So now that you've written your assessment report and entered your outcomes and courses into Xitracs and ensured that your curriculum map is correct, it's time to write your assessment plan. The fields that make up an assessment plan are University Mission Statement, Unit Mission Statement, this is your college mission statement, Outcomes, Assessment Method, and Criteria for Success. Let's walk through each of these fields individually. Mission statements are included in order to show that everything that we do flows out of the mission and vision of HBU. To enter a mission statement, you'll go to the program that you're working on the assessment plan for. The prior cycle is what was used for the report, so the current cycle is where we'll enter our plan. You open that. Then you will see the University Mission Statement. If you click on it, it will expand. To enter the mission statement, for your convenience, we've put the University Mission Statement right on this home page. So you can copy, select Edit, and then paste it there. Mark as complete and save. You'll do the same thing for your unit mission statement. You'll edit, enter the mission statement for your college or school, mark as complete, and save. As was mentioned in the video, Writing Student Learning Outcomes, outcomes are the guiding force behind the assessment process. These are the attitudes, behaviors, and knowledge that students will be able to demonstrate upon a successful completion of the educational program. To add outcomes to your assessment plan, you'll go back to the plan in Xitracs, and do not go to this field. We will not type our outcome in. Because we've previously entered our outcomes into Xitracs back in program details for use in our curriculum map, you'll be able to click this program button and select the outcomes that you want to assess for this academic year and hit save. This is a reminder that you do not have to assess every outcome every year. But for our purposes here, we will select both of these and hit save. For some reason, it keeps giving this error, but if you go back to the assessment plan, you'll see that the outcomes have been populated. All that's left for you to do for them, if you hit edit, is to mark as complete. Whenever you complete this, you should not receive that error message, but if you do, just go back to your assessment plan, refresh, and it should be there. And if it's not, reach out to the Office of Assessment and Compliance. The next field are the assessment methods. Assessment methods are how you will measure student achievement of learning. These are the big categories by which assessment can be done: summative or formative. Formative assessment takes place in a current course or point during the program. When using a formative assessment method in your assessment plan, you'll want to make sure that your assessment plan aligns with your curriculum map. For example, if this is your curriculum map and you want to assess Outcome 1, you will use an assessment method in either class ABC 123 or ABC 789. Whereas if you wanted to assess Outcome 3, you will use an assessment in ABC 123 or ABC 456. Oftentimes, faculty tend to think of the curriculum map and assessment plan as two different things. But in reality, the plan is a result of the curriculum map. This type of assessment, formative and summative assessment, helps you make sure students are progressing in their learning in the way you want them or expect them to be throughout the program. Summative assessment is typically done at the end of the program and is often a certification exam, capstone course, internship, or external licensure. You'll want to use a combination of formative and summative assessment. Also, keep in mind that we do not want to rely too heavily on one single type of assessment. In smaller programs, it's important to make sure that assessment methods that have been selected will actually have students complete them during that academic year. Additionally, if your program is available online or at an off-site location, you'll need to ensure that you are assessing students in all modalities. This can be done with an assessment method that can be completed at all modalities, such as the same questions on an exam, or different assessment methods for each modality. Once you have identified your assessment method, it's time to set your criteria for success. This could be a certain percent of students who will achieve a level of success. What your criteria for success will depend significantly on what type of assessment method you are using. Also, please make sure that you write your criteria for success in a way that you'll be able to report on and will directly measure the outcome. If you need assistance with selecting an assessment method or setting a criteria, please do reach out. To enter your assessment method and criteria for success, you'll go to the assessment method field, select edit, and enter your assessment method. You'll mark as complete and save. You'll do the same thing for criteria for success. Mark as complete and save. And you'll repeat this for all of the assessment methods and criteria for success within your assessment plan. And with that, you have completed the assessment plan for your current academic year.